next command, that is offset. The shortcut key for offset is O. But for showing the object offset, I need to draw something. Let me draw a rectangle. Let me draw a rectangle. Let's say I am drawing a rectangle of 80 cross 40. So 80 means the length is 80 and the width is 40. So that's why at the rate 80 comma 40. Enter. So this is a rectangle of 80 cross 40. Let me draw a circle of radius 50. Okay, now go to offset. O, enter. Now we have some options here. Specify offset distance or through erase layer. So first I will explain offset distance. Let me give offset distance as 10. Enter. What is this offset distance? I will explain. I have given offset distance as 10. Now it is asking select object to offset. Which object you want to get offsetted? I want to select this object. I have selected this object. Okay. Now you can see. Now it is asking specify point on side to offset. Which side you want to offset? This side means inside the rectangle or outside the rectangle. Suppose I want to offset inside the rectangle. So this is how offset works. I have done undo. Okay. Let me explain again. Go to offset, O, enter. Offset distance, it is 10 only. Okay. Now I select this. Okay. Now I want to put this side. So select. So I have got offset rectangle. So actually, what is offset? Let me explain. Suppose this is a rectangle of 80 cross 40. I have mentioned offset distance as 10. So it will draw a one more rectangle either outside and the distance between them will be 10. That's the offset distance. So this is a offsetted rectangle, you can say. Offset rectangle. One more rectangle you can draw because it will ask, the AutoCAD will ask whether you want to put this rectangle outside or inside. The AutoCAD will ask. So I want to put this outside. That's why it is offset rectangle. So this is how the offset rectangle is drawn. And this is the offset distance. Suppose if I draw a line here, I want to draw one more line offset to this. So you have to go to offset, O, enter, and you can select multiple. So let us explore some more options inside the offset. Okay. Suppose there is a line, L, enter. This is the line, enter. Okay. Now go to offset. Now it is asking offset distance. Let me take it as 10. Okay. Select object. So this is the object. So like this. But you might have seen that once I am doing offset, the original entity is getting deleted. See, is there any problem? Okay, see, let me choose this one inside. If you choose multiple, see, now the original is deleted but multiple rectangles you can draw. See inside that, because this was the original, right? This was the original. Yes. So this is how multiple option works inside the offset. Let me come out of it. Undo. Now go to offset again. Okay. Select offset distance. Let me take it as 15 now. Okay. Now select this circle. Okay. If you select multiple, then you can draw multiple concentric circle. This is very easy, no? Okay. Come out of it. You can directly press enter. Again enter. You will directly come out of the offset. So you can see the original circle has been deleted. That will be deleted because there is no copy option is there. But the distance between this circle, this circle and this circle will be 15 because offset distance I have chosen as 15. See here. One second. Go to O snap, OS enter and select this quadrant. Can you see that? Quadrant. Select this quadrant. Go to O snap, OS enter and select this quadrant. Activate this. Now, one second. Actually, see, one thing I can do as of now, because I haven't explained about the, what can I say, the dimensions. So I will put it later. Because see, if I go to linear, it is not showing the quadrant here because this is the one of the quadrant, right? This is one of the quadrant of a circle, but it is not taking. Why it is not taking, that I will explain in the parametric. Don't worry. Okay. So as of now, what I can do to measure the distance between this two circle, I can draw a line. See, I have drawn a line from this particular quadrant of the circle up to this particular quadrant. That's why I have activated the quadrant um, object snap mode, that is O snap mode. Now you can measure the length. One second. Linear, this point to this point. See 15 because offset distance was 15. Okay. But what about this circle? Where is the this circle? This circle was, that was the original circle which will be deleted. I hope you got my point. Undo. I am doing undo. Now go to offset again. Now we have another option, through. Okay. Select the object to offset. Okay. Now through is nothing but, suppose you don't want to put any distance. Okay. You don't want to give any distance. Rather, you want to do offset randomly like this. So left click again, the circle is drawn. See again. Let me draw a point here. I will take this end point of this line to explain the offset. See, go to offset, enter, go to through. Okay, select the object. Okay, because it's asking. Then after selecting object, suppose I want to keep this circle up to here. This is my radius. So left click here. So this is how it will be drawn. Exit, then it will terminate the offset. Okay. Yes. Now erase command is there. Now here offset erase source object after offsetting means, suppose I don't want to erase the source object, then I have to choose no. So go to no. Okay. Now mention offset distance. Let me take it as 10. Enter. Now select object to offset. I want to offset this. So left click. Now you can see the original is not getting deleted. See, select this and offset it. Select this and offset it. Left click onto this and again left click. Like this, the offset works. Let me explain again. Suppose I want to draw some offset lines of this. So go to offset O, enter. Okay. If you go to erase, as of now, what is asking? Erase source object after offsetting? I would say no. I don't want to erase the source object, that is original object. Okay. Offset distance, let me take it as 15. Enter. Okay. Now, this is the source object because I am selecting this. So select this, enter. Select this. Now it is asking specify point on side to offset. Which side you want to place? This side or this side? I want to place this side. Now again you can select that same offsetted line. Select that line and place on which side you want to place. This side or this side? I want to place this side. So left click again. Again select that line, offsetted line, and again left click. Again select that line, again left click. Again select that line and left click. Again select that line and left click. Select that line and left click. Select that line and left click. So this is how it is. Even you can select this object to offset and place it. Even you can select this object and place it. Even again I can select this object and placing. For placing you have to press and left click. Okay, again select this. Now we have options. Let me go to multiple. So see, once you select multiple, you don't have to select the object again and again. Just left click, you will be getting multiple rectangle. Enter. I hope you got the essence of it. See, go to offset distance as 15. Okay, this is the object. Now, once you select the object, then this multiple mode will be open. So if you select the multiple mode, then you can directly draw the multiple rectangles just by clicking left. Yes, press enter. So this is how it is. But if you don't select the multiple mode, see again offset, O enter, offset distance is 15, enter, select the object. As of now, multiple mode is not selected. So see, again and again you have to select. Left click and place it. Left click and place it. How I am placing it? By left click again. Left click, again left click. Left click, again left click. So if I'm not selecting the multiple mode, then I have to select again and again that particular rectangle. I hope this is clear. Okay, go to offset, O enter, and erase. I have explained. Erase means if I see erase source object after offsetting, if I say yes, suppose I want to erase the source object, then I have to go to erase and press yes. So offset distance is 15, enter, select the object, enter. See, the source object is deleted because inside that erase, I have selected yes. Okay, go to offset again. There is a third option, that is layer. As of now, I have not explained about layer. That's why I am skipping this as of now. But once I explain the layer command, then I will come again onto this particular command. Okay. Yes. I hope this is clear.